Hello to today's video. I'm going to do a couple of things around the house, getting preparation done for our renovation starting. I'm just going to do some little things that I know I can do, stuff I need to get rid of. But first I'm going to paint the bed knobs, if you know that story from the last video. Now the bed frame, when I painted it, was painted in this colour by Rust-Oleum, linen white, and I really thought I had a can of spray paint of that as well, but maybe I used it up. So I was going to spray them because that would be the obvious way to do it. I've got so much of this left, I might as well use it up, so I'll give it a quick sand just to get an adhesion to the paint. Even though chalk paint does stick to anything, I think we'll just give it a quick sand, just, you know, might be a little bit better. I also have this, I bought it from an op shop ages ago, and I'm just going to give it a quick white coat as well. So it's super hot in New Zealand today, so all my painting should dry super quick. This is the oldest paintbrush in the world, actually, you know. I'm going to be throwing out my paintbrushes and starting again, but I thought just for this last little job on these little things, I'll use this one.
On a treasure hunt, I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see trust you when you say that beauty
you're doing good. So these other knobs dried overnight. They were literally dry yesterday and the sun was so hot. I must admit, they probably would have looked a bit better if I sprayed them, but that's okay. I can live with them like that. The job for today is to dig out the glue. Since I made the video about the spare room, I have actually put the mirror on the floor like that. I really like it there. When I made it, it is hugely heavy because I basically put part of a piece of furniture in it, if you've seen my making of the video of this mirror. And I do have to clean it because it's got paint all over the mirror. I thought that looked really cool just sitting there on the ground, because I honestly was too worried to hang it up, it's so heavy. And I really like that look of things on the floor like that. I've just put this other duvet on the bed because it just gives it more of a cozy feel, and I've turned it round. And I've got nowhere to store it at the moment, so that's why that's there. I need to put something down because I don't want glue anywhere. But that is rock hard, guys. Rock hard. I really don't know how I'm going to get it out. Or work it out. It's actually not that hard. It's actually not too bad. It's just going to take a long time. That doesn't even make sense. It isn't actually that bad. It's just one of those little jobs that might take a while. Reminds me of getting chewing gum off desks at school. Stuff like that. But it's a lot harder because it's glue. And I'm probably going to scratch up around here a little bit. And I'll just need to give it all a touch up. Oh, that didn't take long at all. I've literally been putting this off. That's fine. It took like 2 minutes. Such a beautiful day here. It's about the 22nd, not the 22nd, the 27th of January. It's about the 27th of December. Christmas was 2 days ago. Oh wow, what's wrong with me? And my daughter came and visited it and she confirmed that she really likes it up there. I didn't mention it in the other video, but I really do like it there. There was always going to be this slight gap. My husband did say to me I can just put some glue around it and paint it. But I like it much better than the Christmas decorations. It's good. They'll be fine. Okay, this is the last one and it's really crumbly. It hasn't worked out nearly as well as the first one. Okay, that one took about 40 minutes. I'm just giving you time frames. 5 minutes, 5 minutes, and this was the 2-minute one. That came out really cleanly. Yeah, you know, I could say, well, they're a little bit small for the bed, whereas the other things I made were too big, but it will do, guys. Like, ultimately, I could have just gone and bought a new bed frame with all this mucking around of painting it and then losing one of the finials and trying to find replacements. But, you know, I love the shape so much. I could have hunted high and low for another bed like this, and I don't even mind if it's a little bit scratchy and, you know, it's not perfect, it's not new. Anyway, I love it. So I will just leave these sitting here for now. So I'm not intending to glue these and touch them up. I probably won't even show you that process. I just wanted to show you getting it to this stage. I'm just doing things in small little increments. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. It was just a few little jobs I've been meaning to do, like, you know, get the glue out of the bed, paint those, get my kitchen a little bit looking more like it's ready to be renovated. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.